Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to sign up for Pocketguard, a fantastic app that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and take control of your finances. Whether you're a budgeting newbie or just looking to streamline your money management, this quick guide will get you started in no time. First off, let's get the app on your device. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store. For Android users, head to Google Play. Simply search for Pocketguard in the search bar, and once you spot the app, it's the one with the green icon. Tap Install or Get. It should only take a minute or two to download. Once it's installed, open the app, and you'll land on the main screen. Look for the Sign Up button. It's usually right there, front and center. Click it to begin. The app will ask for your email address, so enter a valid one that you check regularly, as you'll need to verify it. Next, create a strong password. Aim for something at least 8 characters long, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. After that, you might see a prompt to agree to the terms of service. Just read through them quickly and tap Agree if you're good to go. Now, here's the key step. Check your email inbox for a verification link from Pocketguard. Open the email, click the link, and bam, you're verified. The app will then guide you through a few optional setup questions, like linking your bank account or setting your first budget, but you can skip these for now if you want to explore later. And just like that, you're all signed up. Pocketguard makes managing your money easy and visual, with features like spending trackers and alerts. Give it a try, and start building better financial habits today. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.